Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Information Network, where we are helping you build your personal credit and then helping you get business credit so that you can take advantage of the bank's products, like getting their credit cards to use their reward points so that you can travel for free, and then also be able to rent cars for free, which we're going to be talking about today. Not only that, when you get business credit, you can actually get business lines of credit and business loans to be able to purchase cash flowing assets to help you and your family build wealth. Now, if that sounds like something that you're interested in and a channel that you want to be a part of, I highly recommend you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, because we'll be dropping more information in those regards. We also have a school group community, which is completely free for you to join right now, where you can be around other like-minded individuals. We'll be having a lot of different information about the same topics that I'm talking about today, but going into a deeper and more clear understanding with guidebooks, with ebooks, with courses, and all that kind of stuff for you to take advantage of. So if it sounds like something that you want to be a part of, we'll have the link in the description below for you to be able to join. At a limited time right now, we're letting people in for free. Later on, it could be a more charged or a more payment method, but right now it's free, so I highly recommend you get in now. All right, so in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about renting your vehicles using your credit cards. Now, this is something that I came across later on. I did not understand this when I was a little bit younger and I was renting cars, but later on, I got to understanding all these different benefits you can get when you use the bank's reward cards and reward points to be able to rent your vehicles. This will allow you to be able to get upgraded vehicles. It will allow you to be able to get vehicles at discounted prices, all the way up to like 50% off. And I'm going to also, at the end of the video or more towards the middle, I'm going to show you guys a couple of travel hacks or a couple of tips that I like to use to ensure that I get the vehicle that I want at the price point that I want. So I encourage you to stay with us and listen to the whole video all the way through. All right, so I'm going to talk to you about my favorite rental car company, and I'm a loyal member to this particular company for a number of different reasons. Now, that is Hertz. I really, really do enjoy Hertz. And what I like about Hertz the most is just how easy it is for me to rent my vehicles through them. I'm going to show you how you get Hertz at the top tier level so that you can take advantage of some of these perks that I'm going to be talking about. One of the things that I like about Hertz is when you become president and when you become part of the president circle, you can actually just book your vehicle right online, and then go, when you get to your destination, go right into the rental car area and go straight to the President's Circle area where they have a number of vehicles that you can rent and have. All you have to do is choose the vehicle that you want, jump right into that vehicle, and you pull up to the gate, and then you give them your ID. They will check your ID with the reservation, and you're off. Quick, easy, simple. Same thing about when you return. You bring it right back, leave the key in the vehicle, and you go get on your flight, or you go get on your bus, or whatever transportation you're going to be using that day. Very quick, very easy, very simple. So how do you get Hertz, right? So how do you get Hertz President's Circle? And that's what we're going to talk about first today. Now, the easiest way of getting into Hertz President's Circle is by getting the American Express Platinum Card. When you get the American Express Platinum Card, you will then be guaranteed to get the Hertz President Circle. You just need to go and register with Hertz, and then you will put your member in, you'll put your number and member in, and you will become a Hertz President Circle member. That is the easiest way. Another way is doing it by status matching. So you can status match from other auto insurance or excuse me, auto rental car companies. And when you have elite status with them, you can actually status match into the Hertz one. And if you want to learn more about status matching and how to do that, join our school group community where I can go in depth and walk you through it step by step on how to be able to status match into different airline statuses and into different hotel statuses and also into different car rental statuses. It's a whole long procedure, but once you execute it, it can save you hundreds of dollars and it can make your experiences in travel way more rewarding. So let's talk about the different credit cards that you can use to be able to get you into Hertz President Circle. The other one that I like is the Capital One Venture X. This is an excellent card that will also give you that high status tier to get you into the Hertz ecosystem in President Circle status. That is a really good one. So the other one that I like to use those two. So these are the two cards that I highly recommend you get: the American Express Platinum and then the Capital One Venture X to get you your status. Okay. Once you get this status inside of Hertz President Circle, you can then status match yourself into National to get their Emeralds Club elite status. You can get into 60. You can also get into Avis's elite status as well. So the Hertz President Circle is the Dondada. That is the top tier that you want to be able to get into. That is why I like that one so much. Okay, so now that you have your status, this is the card I like to use when I'm booking, and I'm going to tell you why. I like to use the Chase cards when I'm booking. Now, that can be usually I will use my Chase Inc. business card, both of them. I will use both either Chase Inc. business cards, or I will use my Chase Reserve or Chase Sapphire cards. And that is for the insurance, right? So with these Chase cards, you can waive the collision damage for the vehicle that they charge you when you're at the counter. So instead of doing that, you can waive it, and that's going to save you like a lot of money at the end, depending on how long you're renting the vehicle for. Because the Chase cards, they have primary coverage for you. So use the Capital One X, Venture X to be able to get your status along with the American Express, get your status. But then when you want to book your vehicle, you might want to book with the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the Chase Inc. Business cards so that you can get your insurance waived. Now, the American Express Platinum does have an insurance waiver, but it's a secondary. So what happens here is that secondary is basically your insurance. You can use your own primary insurance as primary, and then the secondary will kick in for like the things that the primary does not. I don't recommend necessarily doing that. I think is a very easy, streamlined process when you can use your Chase cards to be able to do that. Okay, so now let me give you a little hack that I like to use when I'm trying to be able to ensure that I get the upgrade that I'm looking for. Now, this strategy is very, very like home run when you can nail it, okay? You're going to need two accounts. Basically, you can use your spouse's account and your account, or a buddy's account and your account, or you can just have two accounts to be able to run this strategy. The strategy is you're going to book the highest level vehicle that you're looking to be able to get, that luxury upgrade that you're looking to get. You're going to book that vehicle out several days in advance to make sure that it's held for you. Then you're also going to book your other vehicle. Maybe it's a lower tier vehicle because it's the most efficient for the price point that you're looking to be able to grab it at. So when you have the Hertz President Circle, or you have that elite gold status with Hertz, you get a free upgrade, right? So when you get that free upgrade, you can get into these other luxury vehicles by when they're available to you. So to ensure that they're available to you, you just use another account to make sure you hold it for as long as you can, because there's no penalty for not taking it out of reservations for canceling. So there's no penalty. So just hold it with another account, and then right as soon as you can before you get you're ready to be able to grab that vehicle, you release it. I recommend releasing it maybe 30 minutes to an hour prior, and then making sure that it comes off of the list and it's available to you and nobody else is getting it. And then when you go, you can go to the actual gold counter. They have a separate counter. They have a gold counter. Go to the gold counter and let them know that you're interested in an upgrade and ask them what upgrades they have available. And then chances are you're going to be able to get that particular vehicle that we were discussing before that you had on hold. Now, that is a great tip to be able to do that. There's another thing you can do is you can book out 1 week out, you can book out 3 weeks out, you can book out a month out. And then you can actually choose which price point is going to be best for you, because the prices will go up and down depending on availability. So remember, there's no penalty for you to cancel your reservation. So doing this will make sure that you get the best price point that you're trying to get while you're going to be booking your vehicle for your stay. All right. The other thing I wanted to run by you guys is that I like to travel to Europe, and you can too. Now, we talked a little bit about status matching, but what I do like is that when you can status match yourself from a national Emeralds Club to a company called Europcar. And Europcar is one of my favorites to be able to use when I'm traveling abroad. Especially, I've used them when I was traveling all over Europe. I've used them also when I travel to Australia. I've used them when I travel to Ireland. And so they're a really good vehicle and a good company. And what I like about them is that I can rent top-notch luxury vehicles from them as well, like Mercedes vehicles there as well. So if I want to get a good Mercedes, I will go with Europcar because I can get some really nice Mercedes there. Right. So getting your status where you need it, you can actually status match into Europcar and get their top tier. So then you can do the same strategy of being able to hold a vehicle and then get it released to be able to make sure that you can get the upgrade that you want when you get there. All right. So thought I'd drop a couple tips like that. This all goes in line with traveling. It all goes in line with your credit and making sure that you can have the best experience possible when you're out there in the world, especially when you're using the bank's products so that you can be able to do so. So that is it for the video today. Later on, I will go into a little bit more of the different tips and things that you can actually do to be able to enhance your experiences. We'll talk more about how to enhance your experiences with different hotel stays. We'll also go into talking about how you can enhance your experiences with status matching yourself to different airlines. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please hit the notification bell. Also hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because we'd love to be able to have you back. It also really helps that you do that because it promotes the video more for other people to get this kind of information. And then we know that we can give you that same kind of value back over and over again. All right. And then once again, guys, if you do want to join our school group community, once again, it's free. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. Love to have you. And thank you guys for coming back out. And we will see you on the next one. Peace.